reason you haven't got your dream life yet is because you continue to accept your beliefs rather than taking a second to actually question if they're doing you any good. The longer that you simply tolerate what you have and what you think rather than taking a step to actively create your thoughts, the further you're going to be pushed away from achieving all of your desires. And I'll give you an example. My entire life, I was shy and socially awkward, and I spoke and thought that way about myself. And why wouldn't you? It's very normal to say, you know, I'm shy, I'm not a people person, I don't really like social settings, because technically it's true, right? It's true, but every single time you double down on that belief, it forms your reality. No one tells us that we get to change not only ourselves, but also how we perceive ourselves. Do you really think I would be out here having this YouTube channel if I didn't take the step to question my beliefs and consciously change them to, I am confident and I am extroverted and I am outgoing and socially charismatic? I changed how I saw myself, how I carried myself, and therefore all of the opportunities that I started to experience shifted towards what I had always dreamed of.